today we're using two 45-degree bends of 2.5-inch piping, two band clamps 2.5-inch, and a vice grip style pipe cutter. This is a pretty good design one, 2.5-inch, so we'll have one of these on each side, pointing to cut about right there on each side. And so once it's cut, the clamps will go there so the stock mufflers can function like normal, or you can quickly pull off the mufflers and just pop on a section of these straight pipes, and you got either turn downs, or you can have it coming out the back. In this case, we're gonna see maybe turn downs, maybe coming out the back, kind of weird style. We'll see. There's a little section on the top that didn't cut all the way through. There it goes. That's what the muffler looks like. At this point, to put the muffler back on, you kind of just place it back up with the band clamp on the front section of the pipe, and then tighten it up, and then you got your muffler back on. These kind of just pop out from exhaust hangers. There's no bolts that have to be removed. Are they cut and crooked? I guess these tools aren't perfect. A little bit of a sideways cut there somehow. Let's get the grinder. Maybe a controlled effort with a sawzall is a good option. Voila. That decel sounds pretty cool when it's coming down off the RPMs. Looks kind of cool, looks a little tracky. Picked this car up 2 days ago. Pretty nice car, super minty. It was bone stock. I got a BBK intake filter putting on it. Some simple upgrades, you know. Tune up plug wires, plugs. Taking it to the shop tomorrow morning to get some electrical stuff figured out at a local C5 specialist shop named Vet Nuts. Also got a C7Z over here, looking nice. Stock intake box will be replaced by this BBK air filter. It's got this breather port that we'll be plugging into. First up, I'm going to remove the full intake. Disconnecting it on this car included loosening up this clamp, loosening up the clamp to the MAF, IAT, MAF sensor harness. And then this piece comes out. And this slips out. Looks like there's 2 Torx bolts down at the bottom there and there. Those were indeed 2 Torx T30s. Bit of a weird angle, but came out pretty good. Remove this, and that's gonna be the whole stock intake is removed. You can put a little lubricant to get this nipple out of here. Pop this into this hole. At this point, it's about ready to go on. This is a really nice filter. I was looking around at options for this and I saw the dual intake and you can just run a normal cone filter, but I thought this was really nice. Nice wide, tons of airflow, and it was roughly $80, so ended up being cheaper than the corny looking dual ones. And we're gonna see if this pops off. Got the MAF mounted in the filter. This particular car is a 98, so, and there's differences in the MAF diameters. This filter has a 3.5 inch internal diameter. Get these put together. Alright, got it reinstalled. And just like that, we got a sweet BBK intake filter. It's probably gonna sound nuts. I had a fitting bit of silicone weather stripping, so I decided to run a nice strip of it across the front of the hood to keep out water a little more, since the filter is now fully exposed. I'll put a link down below. Looking nice.